The fundamental laws of nature, or physics, include 1. Newton's laws of motion. 2. Law of universal gravitation. 3. Maxwell's equations for electromagnetism. 4. Einstein's general relativity for gravity. 5. Quantum mechanics. 6. Quantum electrodynamics, QED. 7. Standard model of particle physics. 8. Conservation laws. Energy, momentum, charge. 9. Laws of thermodynamics. 0th, 1st, 2nd, 3rd. These laws form the basis of our understanding of the physical universe and have been extensively tested and confirmed through experimentation. Some areas, like quantum gravity, remain active in research. Subscribe for deep explanation of these topics.